guys, so today's video is dedicated to all of you who were scammed and you didn't know how to check, whether your job offer is valid. I've received numerous emails from people all over the world, primarily from India, who were scammed because they received some job offer and that business asked them for money. This is not how it functions. Once you receive the job offer is only after you attended the interview. So you need to attend the interview and that business is not gonna ask you for the money. Who can ask you for the money is agency or the agent who was looking for the job for you. He can ask you, I'm doing that, I'm looking for the job for my clients for 3 months and they have to pay me up front, for, me sending the resumes to Canadian companies, fixing their resumes and preparing them for the interview. But I never, tell the client, oh, you got the job. No, the job depends on you because you are the one who sits at that interview and you need to prepare for that interview and you need to pass the interview. If you didn't have an interview and there is like someone comes and claims, oh, this business in Canada sent you the job offer, that's not legit. In 99.9 cases, 100% it's not legit because you need to sit through the interview with Canadian employer. So now I will teach you how to go online and where to check on a government website. You type the name of the business and then if the business is legit, you should get the business name, the business address and the business phone number. Also the email, sometimes they give you the email. So you can send, that business email and say, okay, I received the job offer from you. Is this your business? Or, I have a suspicion this is somebody pretending it to be you. Or if you do not see business in that registry, that means the business is not registered in Canada. So then you don't want to pay to that person. Trust me. So you cannot pay to get the job. So you can only pay to people to look for the job for you. So this is where people are making a mistake, and I have a problem explaining to other people, you're not paying me to get you the job, you're paying me to get you to the job interview, but you are the one who has to sit at the job interview and pass that job interview, because recently I had this guy and he was like, but I will pay you after you get the job. I said, but you cannot pay me after you get the job because I'm not sure whether you will get the job, right? You are the one, it depends on you whether you will pass that interview. I'm just charging my services for sending, the resumes for you and doing your resume, cover letter, etc., preparing you for their job. This is the services I'm charging, but I'm not charging you to get the job interview. That depends on you. So people are a little bit confused and I understand why you're not trustworthy. But if somebody scams you, again, this is your fault because we are in 2021 and you should be able to Google everything, right? So if the business, if you get this job offer, you have the business name. So you go then on the government website and you check if the business exists in Canada. If the business doesn't exist in Canada, it's a fraud. You don't think, oh, well, I don't know because I already gave the money. I have all these Indian people sending messages to me like this. Oh, I gave this amount of money. Well, my friend, this is your fault. Why did you give the money? Once they send you the letter, why didn't you go online and check? You can check everything. So please be careful. This is really important. So now in pictures I will show you where to click and everything because I tried with this phone to record my laptop where I go, but it doesn't look very nice. Thank you for watching me. This was the short video, but I hope it will help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on StepUp_Canada Instagram, that's my Instagram name. And also, if you want me to look for the job for you, as I explain my service right now, please send me the resume to englishconversations26@gmail.com. And let me tell you something. There are categories that I cannot help. Like if you are one of those categories, go to my community tab and you will find who I can help and who I can't help, you know. And also, I just explained. So you are basically paying for me to send the resumes for you into Canadian companies and fix your resume. So if you are one of those that will say, oh, I will pay you later, then you are not my client. I'm not the right person for you, and you do not hire professionals like me. Then you can do it by yourself, okay? Thank you. Bye.